Hi, my name is Stacy Days, and you're at my home in Gainesville, Virginia. I had to redo my home because there was a flood on the third floor, which took out both the first floor and the basement. And I needed to find a contractor that was dependable and that could, with such a big job, be available and be responsible and dependable. I had to remodel the entire house because everything flooded. I actually interviewed many contractors. I went to a home show about a year ago, and I remember I had some cards, and I pulled out, a year before this happened, and I pulled out the cards and started to give everyone a call. And honestly, pretty much Bullrun showed up on time, and when they said they would, other contractors came in as well. But I got a different feeling from Bullrun. Hakan came into the house, and even though my house was destroyed, he treated it with respect. I knew that was my contractor. Bullrun really helped with the design process. As you can imagine, having to do all 3 levels, 4 bathrooms, pretty much every piece of this home was destroyed. That is where Bullrun came into play, and they really helped me through the process. They were patient. They took as much time as it needed for me to feel comfortable with choosing the designs. When I picked something that wasn't as, they didn't think would go well, they talked to me about that and we talked through it. So that was really a blessing, totally a blessing in disguise. The designer was Hakan, the project manager was Sana, and the actual person that was over the job was Juan. That was a perfect combination. They were exceptional from the beginning. Anytime there was a question, they would call me, FaceTime me, or if I wasn't in the area, when is a good time to call you? So I was aware of, even though I was displaced from the home, I was still able to be here pretty much all the time through their communications. There's so many favorite parts of the home. Right now, I think it might be my master bathroom or my first level bathroom because of their designs. They didn't look anything like what they are now, and it makes me feel like the place is really me now. I've recommended Bullrun to everyone. I can't say enough about the staff. They actually employ their workers, and so you're not like subbed out to the 3rd level. It's like a family there. And I recommend them because of the way they handled this project. It was done with efficiency, and I recommend them because of the way they treated me like a person, a human being, that they understood the difficulty of my situation, and they were patient, and they were caring, and they were professional, and they're absolute skills craftsmen. So yes, I've recommended them to just about everybody that walks into this house, and they see it, they always ask, who is your contractor? They did a great job. So yes, I recommend them all the time. I wish Bullrun the absolute best, but they're more than a kitchen and bath company. They did the stairs, they did all of these different things so I'm trying to break that ideology for people, to let them know that it's not just your kitchen or your bath. If you want to add on something, call Bullrun. You won't be disappointed.